Hello everyone, welcome to my channel India Buddy. I am an exam analyst and my work is to analyze different type of paper and find the scoring pattern in them. Today's topic which we have taken is how to score 180 marks in chemistry NEET UG paper. Yes, that is undergraduate paper. It is possible to get your all 45 questions of chemistry correct in NEET UG paper by using 3 steps which we are going to discuss in this video. Before going ahead, if somebody is new to this channel, do subscribe this channel, like this video and share this video. So let's go ahead and see how we can score 180 marks in chemistry NEET UG paper. To achieve 180 marks, you have to follow the 3 steps. What are the 3 steps? Let us see. The first step is analysis of previous year chemistry paper. Analysis doesn't mean analyzing only 1 or 2 years paper. Minimum you require 10-year analysis part. Don't worry, that part has been done by me for you. And I have also divided the question based on the difficulty and the class, like how much amount of question comes from the 11th standard and how much amount of question comes from the 12th standard. So we'll discuss them in this video very detailedly. Second step is once you have analyzed the paper, now the thing is you have to decide your goal achieving path, that is what to study and from where to study. Most important thing, you should also know what not to study. And once you have a plan, I will tell you how to study, that is follow your path of success. So let's go ahead and see in these steps in detail. So first is analysis of previous year chemistry paper. On analyzing, I found that the easy question out of 45 is 28 questions, whereas medium level questions are 16 questions and difficult questions are 1. If I divide on the based on class, so from 11th standard you will be getting around 23 questions out of 45 questions, and from 12th standard you would be getting 22 questions. So this is on the average based. When I analyzed the 10-year paper, I found this on the average basis. So there can be a chances that the question may vary in the number just by 1 or 2. Next, I have divided the topics in the most important topics, medium important topics and the least important topics. Most important topics are those topics out of which 56% of the question comes from this topic, that is approximately 25 question from 45 question. So let's see what are these topics. So these are the list of the topics which are I consider that most important. So you can pause this video or take a screenshot of it. If you can see, there is a red color asterisk, which means that out of this topic, these 2 topics are very important. But please guys, study all of this topic because 56% of your question will be from this topic. So don't leave any topic from this. Next is medium important topics, that is 41% of your question comes, that is approximately 18 questions. So here you have a list of this topic, and out of this I have asterisk 5 topic. So these are the important topics, but if you see, the most important topic and the medium important topic cover your approximately 96%. So definitely you have to study the most important and your medium important topic. Let's go ahead and see what are the least important topics. So in least important topics are those topics from which you get approximately 3% of question, that is it can be like around 1 or 2 questions in 45 questions. So what are these topics? You are having this in front of you, and I think the nomenclature is one of them which is little bit important among the other 3. So now you know what are the topics which are important, medium and also the least important. So you have what to study, and now we'll be finding from where to study. So from where to study is your NCERT is your best of best, that is 11th and 12th NCERT chemistry. So I have marked it as asterisk saying that this is the most important thing which is required. For MCQs part, you can purchase Modern ABC for NEET or Arihant 32-year salt paper. But I am not marketizing this part. Let's go ahead. Now you know what to study and from where to study. Now we'll see how to study. That is follow the path of success. You have to divide your time based on most important topics, medium important topics and less important topics. When I am talking about the less important topics, it means you have to study the less important topics as well as solving the MCQs related with all 3 of the topics. So out of your total time, 50% of your time should be given for the most important topics, 40% should be given for the medium important topics and 10% for less important topics, which includes solving of your MCQs. So guys, these were the 3 steps. If you follow them, you would be definitely scoring 180 marks in chemistry NEET UG paper. So guys, please subscribe this channel, share this video and like this video. Stay connected. Thank you very much for watching this video.